Hey guys, it's Russell back. On today's video, I promised you at the end of the video I did on how to remove old window tint and glue that I would be having my windows, the front two windows, tinted, which I have. Just got back from it being done, and this is the 20% tint. I went with the Reno window tint, and I gotta tell you guys, absolutely phenomenal job. Now it's going to take a couple days for everything to set in and cure as far as any small little bubbles. The water will evaporate, work itself out. But I've got to tell you guys that I have met and had work on this vehicle the best window tinter I have ever seen in my life. I'm going to actually do a video with him doing a car. This guy is not only just super passionate about what he does, but he is a true craftsman of his craft, which is tinting. And I'm just blown away by how good this guy is. So I just wanted to show you guys the 20%. What was on there before was, I think, 35. This is pretty much 20% also. But anyway, just wanted to show you guys that. I'll show you the other side from the sun side. Just an absolute phenomenal job. I need to clean my windows. But yeah, we're going to do a video. I'm going to do that next Saturday. And he's going to take us through an entire car that he does. He's going to show us tips and tricks. If you're a seasoned professional tinter, if you're a do-it-yourselfer, that's one thing on an automobile I will not do. I've done tinting before. I don't like it. I'm not good at it. I leave it to the experts. But he will give you tips and tricks that I've seen a lot of tinters and had a lot of cars tinted before. And he's got some tips and tricks that make sense. He thinks about what he does and he improves upon the process, and it's just really, it just blew me away at how detailed and careful and just how committed he is to his craft and making himself better. So I'll introduce you to him next week when we do the video on that. You are going to not want to miss that video. It is going to be awesome. Watching him work and having him explain every single step, why he's doing this, what he's doing this for, I learned so much. Not enough for me to want to tint a car. I'll leave that to him. But I'm very, very pleased, and I just got home from his shop. So I wanted to do this quick video update because I promised you guys I would do that, and wanted to let you know of the upcoming video. If you haven't subscribed, please do so. Right next to that is a little bell. Click that. You'll be notified as soon as I upload new content. And guys, I will see you on the next video.